Download Microsoft Edge policy templates from the link given in the description. Select open. Right click and select extract. Provide name and click extract. Locate the extracted file. Right click and extract all. Extract. Go to Windows, then ADMX folder. Copy the msH.admx file to the policy definition folder. Copy the msH.html file to the matching language folder in the policy definition folder. Open run window, type gpedit.msc to open local group policy editor. From the local group policy editor, expand administrative templates, where you can find Microsoft Edge group policy settings. The successfully installed Microsoft Edge group policy settings in Windows 11. Open local group policy editor, expand administrative template, go to Microsoft Edge, scroll down to find the setting, clear browsing data when Microsoft Edge closes. Open the setting window, select enabled, then click apply and OK. Now test in Microsoft Edge. Now whenever you closes the Microsoft Edge browser, all the history will be deleted. I am browsing some websites. You can see the history. I am closing the browser. When I open after closing the browser, all the histories are getting deleted. Subscribe.